Today I'm gonna share with you how to remove color cast and fix the color of the photo in Adobe Photoshop. First, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J, and rename it black and white. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. Go back to Image, Adjustments, and open your Levels window. I'll decrease the highlight input to 130, and the midtone input is 0.84. Then click OK. Now go to File, and save a copy or save as. I'm going to name this black and white. And select the JPEG Save as type. Then save it to your folder. Under the Format options, select the baseline standard. Then click OK. This time I'm going to colorize a black and white photo in Online. So open your any browser, and type in Colorize Image Online. You can choose on any one of these. So I'm going to click on the first one. Now choose the file, and open your black and white image that you saved earlier. Open the target format list, and select the JPEG or PNG. Then click on the Start. Now click on the download icon. Let's go back to the Photoshop. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your Colorize image. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Double-click on this, and rename it Colorize. Now let's fix the color of eyes, lips, and teeth. So click on the adjustment layer, and create a solid color. In the color picker, select Color for Eyes. Then click OK. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to color. Select the mask, and then press Ctrl-I to invert. Now open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush. The brush opacity is 100%, and the flow is 100%. Make sure foreground color is white. Let's zoom the image. And just paint on the eye just like that. Be careful, don't paint on the outside. I'll decrease the fill to 40%. Double-click on this, and rename it Eyes. Go back to Adjustment layer, and create one more solid color. And then select any color for lips. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to color. Then press Ctrl-I to invert. And just paint on the lips. I'll decrease the fill to 70%, and rename it Lips. Go back to Adjustment layer, and create a hue and saturation. I'll decrease the saturation to -50, and the lightness is +65. Then close Properties, select the mask, then press Ctrl-I to invert, and just paint on the teeth just like that. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider of the underlying layer. Click OK once you're satisfied. Double-click on this, and rename it Teeth. Select the 5 layers by holding down Shift key. Then press Ctrl-G to place them into a folder group. Double-click on this, and rename it Colorize. And that's it. Thanks for watching.